Hi, I'm Sugar, and I'm excited to show you around the Preserve at Deep Creek, a new Ryan Homes community in the Appoquinimink School District in Middletown, Delaware. Located just off of convenient Route 301, the Preserve at Deep Creek is surrounded by tons of open space and parks. Residents also enjoy amenities such as 2 planned clubhouses and pools, a fitness center, and walking trails. Enjoy your spare time since lawn maintenance and landscaping are taken care of for you. The area is full of dining and shopping options, making weekend errands and meeting up with friends a breeze. Choose from dozens of hotspot restaurants for date night, such as Kiku Steakhouse and Sushi, Metro Pub and Grill, and my personal favorite, the Cozy 1861. The Preserve at Deep Creek offers 4 open concept floor plans with up to 7 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and optional first floor guest suite. At the end of a long day, retreat to your spacious owner suite, complete with attached bath and walk-in closets. How would you use a finished basement with full bath? The possibilities are endless. We can't wait to show you this amazing community in person. Make an appointment to come see us today. I look forward to meeting you.